What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an airplane. Today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're talking about things that are already on your truck that you can sell to help you buy your next modification. So if you're interested, if you're looking to modify your truck and you just don't know where to get the funds to do so, this video will help you out a little bit. Now I don't know about you, but I still haven't found the magic tree that just prints out money. So I actually have to do stuff to get the money for mods. And well, at least with the last truck that I had, I learned that, well, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Also, SpongeBob taught me that. But nonetheless, things that you have on your truck, you may think are trash, you may think you don't need, you may think, well, why do I have them? But to someone else, they mean a lot. So I'm gonna be going over a few things that you can sell off of your truck to help you get other items. Now I will say this, some of these items, you're definitely gonna wanna buy the other item first and then sell these. Some of these items, you don't necessarily have to. Does that make sense? So if this video helps you out in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Let's just start off with the most obvious things. Whoa, look at those trucks. I wish I was cool like them. Starting with the number one biggest thing. Those wheels, those tires are gold. Go onto Facebook Marketplace, go onto Craigslist, you will see these listed everywhere. And what's crazy is they're not always the same, unless it's somebody asking a ridiculous price. Like I saw one dude the other day offering TRD Pro wheels for $2,600. Give me the $2,600, I'll give you TRD Pro wheels, and I'll even throw in like my signature or something. Obviously I'm kidding, but if you're looking to buy wheels and tires and, well, that price is pretty steep, think about selling your wheels and tires after you're done. Some people keep them just in case they want to go back to stock. Now that's a good idea as well, but if you're tight on funds and, well, you want it to not be as big of a hit, let me explain. These wheels and tires combined, everything included, $800 easy. If I list these today, they'll be gone in a week. And let's say you buy wheels and tires. Let's say you go with 33s and some nice set of wheels, you're looking at like $2,000. That $2,000 turns into $1,200, so you save $800. Show the boss, look boss, hey, you know what, I'm trying. Instead of $2,000, it's $1,200. And it sounds a lot better. Believe me, it works. On my last Tacoma, I didn't end up selling my wheels for a long time. I just didn't ever need to. But then I was like, okay, well, I'm getting a Tundra, so let me sell those wheels. And then I went out and bought another Tacoma. So consider those. Number two, if you're getting new wheels and tires, you're probably getting new suspension. If you are, consider selling it. There's people out there who rebuild trucks. There's people out there who need Toyota OEM parts, and, well, you're trash, they're treasure. I sold my last suspension for like $200. I saw another dude sell his off-road suspension for like $500. So it just depends on the time and place. You might find somebody to pay $500, at the very minimum $200. Now a lift kit, $900, turn that into $700, save $200. You get what I'm saying, you get where I'm going with this. The bed cover, a lot of people get OEM bed covers thrown in. Like, at least where I used to work, the customer would be like, I don't really know if I want this vehicle. All right, what if we give you this? Done. You get a bed cover, you get floor mats, you get whatever the case may be for free. In that case, you have no money spent on it. You can turn it into cash, helping you buy maybe like a Lear cover, even though those are some pretty hefty boys. I think it's like $2,000, so I'll hold off for now. Number 67 on this list, the bumper caps. The bumper caps are crazy. Now, this actually happened to me. On Instagram and on Facebook, I was talking about getting an off-road bumper. And when I said that, I kid you not, like 10 people asked me, can I have the bumper caps? I scratched mine. Can I have the bumper caps? I crashed mine. Whatever the case may be, one man's trash, another man's treasure. People were willing to pay me $100 plus shipping for those. I don't know how in demand they are, but there you go, bumper caps. If you go with an off-road bumper, consider it. Number 98, floor mats. These floor mats are precious. People pay serious money for these. I had the ones on my last Tacoma, and then I got another pair, and then I sold the other pair for 80 bucks because, well, I have the OEM ones now, so I don't really necessarily need to keep all those floor mats because, well, I only have one truck. The fog lights, not too many people are looking out for them, not too many people care for them, but let's say you get a TRD off-road with the LED light package. Yours comes with LEDs, mine doesn't. I want yours. You sell me yours, you get like some dial dynamics, and then you're set. You win, I win, we're all happy. Number 432, the grill. The grill, right now I'm looking for a grill. I don't know if I want to. Right now I'm looking for a grill. I don't know if I want to just get a TRD Pro grill, get a TRD off-road grill, or just paint this one all black. And last but not least, if you are going to sell your vehicle, like I sold my Tacoma, I was gonna clear out all the modifications. So I could have taken everything off, put the stock components back on, and made a good amount of money back on my investment. But I was feeling generous and I wanted the next person that got the truck to enjoy the truck, to not have to spend so much money on the truck, even though they spent quite a bit buying it. Before you sell your truck, take off some of the modifications. They're probably gonna take them off either way. The reason I say this is because, well, they took off a lot of the stuff off, like the bed mat, the LED lights that I had inside, the floor mats. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. 3,000 subscribers is the goal. Without further ado, it's been your boy. I'm Like and Naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.